guys, it's me. We are playing COD Mobile. Let's start playing this game. Before we do, let's dance, okay? Let's go dance. Let's go. There we go. Okay, we start. We do start. Wait, let's see the events. By the way, I started playing this game since season 7, so I'm just a new. Okay, we start now. Let's play hardcore. Yum yum yum. Oh my god, so bad. Oh no. Kinda good, okay. Nice. Let's play. Oh, I'm using shotgun, guys. So laggy. So laggy. Help. We kill him. Yay. We killed him. Let's go. Oh my god, so laggy. Oh no, my settings. I died, bro. Let's kill them. Oh my god, please stop. Oh my god, please. Let's go. Let's steal. Oh no, no, no. Help, help. Help, please. No, no, I'm so laggy, bro. Okay. Let's get my dog tag. Oh no, please stop. Oh no, oh no. Please stop. Oh my god. No, no. Why? Stop, please. Yeah, let me kill you. Yeah. Please. No. Let's kill them with the
Enemy Shock RC is coming.
Kill them.
Counter UAV up. They're
Yes,
blind.
please. Let's go. No, I'm so laggy. No. Stop. Oh my god. Please. I will kill you all. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god. Please stop. Oh my god. That was a clutch, bro. Please. Hey.
Kill confirmed. Enemy Shock RC
Don't
is
complain about me. My phone is just bad. Just trying to get better at this. Oh no, please stop. No. Oh my god, please stop. Oh my god, please. No, bro. Yes, let's go. Oh, no, please stop. Stop camping. Ah.
Enemy Shock RC is coming.
Wow. Oh, stop. No.
Friendly Shock RC is ready.
Let's go.
Kill confirmed.
Let's go. Shock out.
Friendly Shock RC is coming.
Go.
Bring it up, squad.
Die. Oh, wow. Oh, please fly. Yes.
Missile awaiting orders. Kill
Go. Predator missile. Let's go.
Be advised. Missile in.
Oh, yes. Let's go.
It's up to you. Enemy UAV
What?
spotted.
No. How? Bro, stop. Let's go. Oh, a predator missile. Okay. Let's change our settings because my settings are so bad and the sensitivity. Okay, then change it though. Okay, let's change it now. Let's go change it. Wait, I can't. Help. Oh no, it's purpose. Wait, I can't. Oh, never mind. Sorry, my voice is so low because my dad is sleeping. You know what? You know that, okay? Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh. Okay. How about we change that to 120? Yes, let's go. Let's play some challenging. I mean, there's no challenging here, bro. Okay, let's play Frontline. What? No! Not this search and destroy. Why? Why? I mean, it's just all bots. You know that, lol. Bots. Okay? I'm not good at this COD. Trying to practice. Just getting free skins and free epic characters. You know that?
Defend the objectives.
Got to learn them all with the golden axe. Trying to flexing my golden axe. Oh my god. Oh my god, please stop. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so laggy. Let's go. No, please. I died in a bot. I regret using the golden axe. Oh man. Oh, wow. No way. End it. It's changed. Oh, it's a bot. Okay, another bot. Cool. Whoa. Whoa, I think it's not a bot though.
Ready for the next round.
Kinda cool. Okay, next round. Next time. Now for now, I'm using the shotgun. Okay.
Defend the objective. We have the bomb.
Let's go, let's go.
Enemy in sight.
Stop. Oh!
Headshot.
Oh, okay.
Nice work. You ready for the next
Okay,
round?
okay. Excuse me. Ow.
Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb. I'm hurt. Changing mag.
Fuck. Yay. Still got him.
They have the bomb.
Oh. Plant it. Oh. Never mind.
Nice work. You ready for the next round?
We are going to win, guys. Let's go.
Destroy the
Go
objective.
do this.
We got the bomb.
It's going to kill all the enemies. Okay. Where are the enemies? There. Oh shit. Oh my god, so sorry. I said a bad word. Sorry guys. Ah, good. Fuck. Yay. Wait, where's the enemy? Oh wait. What? The enemy. I just saw you. Wait, what? Oh, there. Oh no, please. No, you stole my kill, bro. Oh my god, why, dude? Why? Leave it. Why, bro? Oh, the guy misses the you know that, the bat. He misses bat like that. Like he misses killing that guy so bad. I mean that guy. I mean it's a bot though. Right? This is okay guys. Goodbye guys. This is going to be the end of the vid. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.